Hello guys, in this video we'll discuss how to charge this Huawei FreeBuds SE second and check the battery level. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful videos. So, you can check the battery level via app or Bluetooth. I will tell you more about it, just watch this video till the end. Now, if the indicator light turns green for 10 seconds when you open the case, then turns off, then this indicates that the battery level is more than 60%. If the indicator lights yellow for 10 seconds when the case is opened, then turns off, this indicates that the battery charge level is between 20% and 60%. If the indicator lights red for 10 seconds when the case is opened, then turns off, this indicates that the battery charge level is less than 20%. If lights are off, it means that earplugs are fully discharged. Now let's discuss how to charge this device. You can do it via USB-C cable. Just place earbuds in the case, like this, and make sure both of them are securely placed. Now take the provided USB-C cable, plug in the computer or charger, and connect cable to the charging case. The indicator light on the case will show you the charging status. When they are fully charged, you'll see a steady green light. So, how to check your battery percentage? There are several ways. First, you can check it in Bluetooth settings. Just go to the Bluetooth parameter on your phone, find your device, and right here you'll see your percentage. Second tip, go to the app Huawei AI Live, then tap here on this icon, and on the main screen you'll see your percentage as well. A little advice: if you cannot download this app from Google Play, then do it in official website of Huawei. So it usually takes about 1 or 2 hours to fully charge the earplugs. The charging case usually takes about 2 hours to charge. If the indicator light on the charging case will light up constantly, then the earbuds and case are fully charged, and you can see it in Huawei AI Live app and in Bluetooth settings. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.